welcome back. Today we are going to do the practical part of the correct method to use a compound light microscope part. So this is the microscope, and I have kept, first thing is to keep it on a horizontal table. So I have keep it on a horizontal table like this. I think you can see. So then they say this cos adjustment of this one. Then first we have to get the cos adjustment knob down. That means low power objective lens is this. I forgot to tell you something. The longer that you grow in the objective lenses, it has a high power. So this is a low power, this is a medium, and this is a high power. Then use the cos adjustment knob to bring the low power objective lens down. So if you want low power objective is placed, then you have to look at this, and that means your eyes have to be in here, because we have kept the slide now. So then it will go by break in the slide if we again turn it. So I do it. So slide is kept and it is here. Then third one is adjust the mirror and the diaphragm to obtain a clear spot of light by keeping the eye open on the eyepiece. So this is the mirror, and you have to get I'm in a place like this, and then yes. So this is a concave mirror. So I got a one spot, that means a little spot. So I use the other one. So then it light I can't show it to you. So then the microscope, that means it's set, and then we have to get the diaphragm. So this is the diaphragm. I will show it to you like this, like that. So I will keep the mirror off, and in here you can see that the diaphragm, if there is too much light, we lower it, and if there is if there is low light, we get it full. So then I have many one, so I kept it like this. So then I bring it back to like this, and then the next thing that we have to do is fix the prepared slide on the stage using clips. So that means this is the stage. So I will show it to you. So this is the stage, and so then I fix it by stage clips, and this is the slide. So then we first remove this, and this is the slide. Then we adjust it, and it's okay now. And then the fifth thing, bring the low power objective lens upward using the rough adjustment until a clear image is obtained. So we have put it in here. Then we have get the light too. So we have to only look at this movement now. Then we have closed it like this now. So we have to keep the eyes on the eyepiece, and then you have to watch like a clear image obtained. At the moment the clear image obtained, you can look. Then after that make sure both the eyes are open, because in grade 10, 9, 10 you have to draw them by, that means one eye see this and one eye draw. Then after that, then keep the comfortable eye at a distance of 1 centimeter. That means you don't have to keep this side in this. If you get like this is the eyepiece. So I remove it because I can't show you. This eyepiece, we don't look at like this, this 7 like this. We look at a 1 centimeter, yes, like this. That means this is the eye and this is the thing. 1 centimeter is okay. Then after that, try to obtain a clear image using fine adjustment. That means this is the fine adjustment. No, this is the fine adjustment. By that, you can by turning it, you can get the image clearly. Remember that. And then after that, a sharp and clear image could be obtained by adjusting the middle and high power objective lens if necessary. If you want, you can use this and this. That means these two also. Then after that, use the rough adjustment to bring the low power objective lens upward after the object. That means we have kept it like this now. After you watch it, you have to keep it like this, because you will be that means sometimes micros can be that means harm. It can be harmed because of this. That means not microscope, objective lens. Then remove the specimen. So after watch, we get this like this, and then we remove the specimen. So then we have to get a dry piece of cotton cloth and wipe the stain. And remember that you have to wipe this also. Then that's for today. Hope you get a good knowledge about the correct method of using the compound light microscope practical. So see you.